On today's podcast, we're going to be continuing our fire safety tips, week 3. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
Fire safety is paramount in factories and warehouses where flammable materials, heavy machinery, and intricate layouts can lead to significant risks. To counter these hazards and safeguard the well-being of employees, it is crucial to establish and adhere to a comprehensive set of fire safety measures. By diligently following these guidelines, workers can actively contribute to fire prevention and respond efficiently in an emergency. Here are a few steps to help get started. Number 1, clear exit routes. Ensure that exit routes and maps are prominently displayed showing primary and secondary exits. This is going to ensure that everyone knows how to evacuate quickly and safely in an emergency. Number 2, know your emergency plan. Confirm with your supervisor that a written emergency plan is in place, and this plan should cover responses to various emergencies, including fires, chemical spills, and natural disasters. Number 3, regular drills. Participating in regular emergency drills is not just a requirement, but also a valuable opportunity to practice evacuation procedures and understand your role in an emergency. These drills ensure everyone is well prepared and can respond effectively in a fire or other emergency. Number 4, report hazards. Always immediately report any potential hazards or obstructions in exit routes to your supervisor. Keeping pathways clear can save lives during an emergency. And number 5, last but not least, stay informed. Familiarize yourself with all safety protocols and emergency procedures, review them regularly, and ask questions if anything is unclear. And as always, follow the rules and guidelines of your specific facility. In addition to these measures, factory and warehouse managers must prioritize fire safety training for all employees. This training should cover topics such as the proper use of fire extinguishers, the identification of fire hazards, and the importance of maintaining a clean and organized workplace. By fostering a culture of safety and preparedness, factories and warehouses can significantly reduce the risk of fires and ensure that employees are equipped to handle emergencies effectively. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe.
Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.